Hi guys, welcome back. Today's episode is a 2-minute tips and we're looking at dowels and how to fit them really easily and get the perfect result every time. So let's stick the clock up there and let's get going. So for this you'll need your wood and dowels. So what you want to do now is take your dowel and stick it in a drill. So you sand away all the grooves on this dowel so we can insert the dowel and remove it nice and easy. So this is nice, straightforward. So I say stick it in a drill, bit of sandpaper around it, and then just give the drill a bit of a spin. So you see here, we can see where we've nicely sanded off. All these rough areas here have gone. So this will slide nice and easy now into our piece of wood. So we'll just grab the other piece of wood and see that this just slides nice and easily in and out. Right, so you've just sanded your dowel, it's nice and smooth, so you know they can go in and out really easy. So the next thing to do is to grab a pencil sharpener and sharpen the end of it to make a nice point. Now you don't want it super sharp, you want kind of a dull end so it makes a nice big hole. You don't want a tiny little pinprick hole. So we've got a sharpened dowel in there. Take our next piece of wood that we want to line up. We put it to exactly where we want it. And this is where it gets really technical. Smack it. Now you get a mark exactly where you want to be. With our pointed dowel in place, take that out, don't need that anymore. Put our proper dowel in place, one we're going to use for our piece of furniture. Get that nice and firm in place. Put a hole in, just that way around. You can fit this exactly perfect to where we need to be. So there you go, it's perfectly lined up on this side. It's pretty much lined up on this side.